Hello, beautifuls. How are you doing? I hope you are good. You are welcome back again to my YouTube channel. My name is Juliet Goswin. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how to make a sagging bless to stand again. If you have a sagging one and you are looking for a way to make it to stand again, this video is for you. Please watch this video to the and if this is your first time seeing my face, please subscribe and also click on the notification button so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be notified. Please like this video and share it. Let's go straight to the point. So guys, we need cucumber and egg, but we are going to use the egg yolk. This mixture is an active remedy for lifting your breast. This should be used as a mask prepared from cucumber and egg yolk. As cucumber has natural skin toning properties, while egg yolk has high levels of proteins and vitamins. This is a great combination to treat sagging bones. You may use this mask once a week to firm and strengthen the breast tissues. So guys, the first step is you wash your cucumber. After washing it, I'm going to cut it into two. I'm using half of it. I can't finish it, so I'm going to use half of it. The first thing is that I will cut it in a small size. After cutting it in a small size, I have to blend it. So guys, as you can see, I'm blending it right now. So keep washing. So after blending it, you pour it out from the blender. Then you put your egg yolk and mix it very well. Add a tablespoon of butter or cream to get a paste. You can use any butter of your choice. Mix very well to get a paste. So guys, this is how to apply it. You apply it in a circular motion. Apply it in a circular motion. The second one, you apply it again in a circular motion. You apply it like that. So you continue applying it like that. If you have a sagging one due to breastfeeding, childbirth, or is natural, this remedy will help you firm it and make it stand again. And also apply in upward direction. You leave it for 30 minutes and you wash it off. This is end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please click on the like button to like this video and subscribe if you have not subscribed. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.